The Ford Explorer EV features automatic headlights, also known as auto lights, designed for safety and convenience. Auto lights activate and deactivate headlights based on ambient light conditions. By default, this feature is enabled, complying with safety regulations. Users can customize this to their preference. Use the 15.5-inch touchscreen with Ford's Sync 4 or later versions to adjust auto lights. Navigate to Settings, then select Vehicle, and finally tap on Lighting. Here, you'll find the option to toggle auto lights on or off. All options are digital and accessed through the car's screen. Within the Lighting menu, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Auto Headlights or similar. Tap the switch to turn auto lights on or off. A confirmation message may appear on the screen. With auto lights off, you must manually control the headlights using controls on the steering wheel or dashboard. The Sync 4 system also allows customization of auto light sensitivity. You might find settings for low, medium, or high sensitivity. Lower sensitivity means the headlights will activate later in darker conditions, while higher sensitivity means they'll activate sooner. Some models also let you link auto lights to welcome lights, which flash when you unlock the vehicle. Sync 4 also supports voice commands. Say turn on auto headlights or turn off auto headlights to enable or disable the feature hands-free. The system will confirm your command on the touchscreen. This is a good option while driving. Auto lights enhance safety by ensuring your headlights are always on in low light conditions. This improves visibility for you and other drivers. In early beta testing, auto lights reduced nighttime accidents by 25% compared to manual controls. They also add convenience, automatically adjusting to changing light conditions without requiring manual toggling. In some markets, auto lights are legally required to ensure vehicles meet safety standards. If auto lights aren't working, first ensure the feature is enabled in the settings. Check for any obstructions on the forward-facing sensors or camera array, such as dirt or snow. Software updates can also affect performance, so ensure your Sync 4 system is up to date. Calibration issues may happen in extreme climates. Future Ford Explorer EV models will integrate auto lights with advanced driver assistance systems using AI-driven sensor fusion for more accurate light detection and seamless integration with autonomous driving modes. Expect increasing customization through the Ford Pass app, allowing remote control of lighting features for enhanced user convenience. By 2030, expect integration with vehicle-to-everything communication for coordinated lighting in smart cities, improving safety and efficiency. These future trends will make auto lights in the Ford Explorer EV more intelligent, efficient, and integrated with the evolving automotive landscape.